Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In the neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Welcome to the Christmas edition of our little kitchen talk. So now guess what? I check in on you know. I'm checking in on you all to find out how are you feeling so far on the Jamaican cooking journey. How you feel so far about the few videos that we've been posting on the 12 days of Jammas. How are you feeling? How you feel about that? Leave it in the comment section. How you think we're doing? How do you think we're doing? Are you liking them? Are you learning anything new? On a whole, a matter of fact, me need some people to tell me, are you learning anything new right here on the Jamaican cooking journey? Some of you, some of you know easy, or the type here, Miss Debbie. Me say me a angle my business in the kitchen, big up on yourself, K-Latte. She always say, angle your business, mama. Angle your business, big up K. So let me ask you something. You know angle the business in the kitchen? Today is the 3rd of December. Pure madness. But we not mad. We in a very right mind. Okay? And look here. We're not supposed to have this ready, you know. This supposed to be ready, you know. Give them a shot, camera. Shoot them up. This supposed to be ready and in the rum and the wine. And this is just a little version of mine. I still have more some more about the place. But you're supposed to be there with this already. But guess what happened? If you not reach this yet, we are going to leave the link to the video. Okay, that will show you how to stew your fruits when you're late. Because sometimes you don't get to do it and not get the money for and get you for jump from. Sometimes the fruits are at home, you know, but you just don't get around. So we have the video that shows you how to stew it to make the fruits them get soft and juicy and succulent and jelly and gummy. You know those words, we own them right here on the Jamaican cooking journey. So I'm just checking in to find out if you're getting things in. Hello, you can start baking now, you know. You can start baking now. And let me tell you something. Sorry for the eating for the noise, family. These Jamaican black cake, you don't refrigerate them. People have been asking Debbie, no, you don't refrigerate them. That is the rum and the wine. Unless you're doing it on like an non-alcohol basis, then you will have to refrigerate it. But you don't, once you're putting the rum and the wine in there, you don't have to refrigerate it. You see, for the Jamaican black cake, the all of the moon, I bright, I shine. Have you ever heard that Jamaican expression? Patois, the all of the moon and the bright, I shine. The longer you have that Jamaican black cake, it's the better the taste. That Jamaican black cake, 3 to 4 to 5 months under the red label wine and the rum. And it gets better and better every time. If you know anything about that, tell me something in the comment section. So this is just a little Christmas edition to find out what is going on. I know you're waiting on the upstairs, and let me tell you something. Now worry you not Ed, it a come. Just keep your notification. When me tell you say it a come, I tell you say it a come in a flying colors. And I see him so the hammer come behind it. Mama, kitchen turn up. Do you like what is going on? Make sure your notifications are on. You don't want the oxtail after you request it so much time. It's coming, baby. And the ham will be coming too. We have a lot of things planned. We are trying our best in the country. No, say Jamaica and the money expend the things in the expensive buying and like Christmas now. Everything is, I don't know what happened. Everything just rise up. Okay, we are doing some sales of Jamaican black cake. And as I said, I left my Instagram, my email, and my WhatsApp. You can get on to me. People are asking Debbie, how do I do? How do I do? I told you in a previous video, it is sold by the pound. Okay, so we'll be taking orders. I will tell you when I'll be cutting off what I'm working on, and I maybe can be telling this by probably about Wednesday thereabout. I'm trying to work out the cheapest shipping. You know, because you know a lot of people do shipping, so I try to work out the cheapest one where I can, you know, most economical in your pocket. Because we know it going on. I don't want to look at a place with the high excitement and something and big money. So when we price it and then put on the shipping, you know, I try to look out for no pocket too. So I'm going to be working. So I'll let you know that. Also, I did say that we have our 2 winners, and we are gonna do a video for you very, very near, to make you get a little feel of how them did react when they found out that they won. So the 2 cakes for the black cakes for the winners, they'll be done and they'll be posting off on Saturday, the latest. They'll be done, but we will give a little grip. I'm not sure if I can get to a video when I'm doing them, but you'll see the finished product and we'll be sending them off, because remember the competition did for close out Saturday now, but we end up that it closed off this, and within hours 2 people won. I'm so elated, and when you hear who won, you're gonna be so elated. I'm gonna give you a little clip of when they answered and realized that we are gonna do a little video, put together a little video. So we are gonna do the black cake, the black cake for our 2 winners, and we'll be posting them off. None of them are in Jamaica. I'm so sorry. So we are gonna do it, and we can't get it for post off by Saturday the latest. So if you are watching this video and you'd like to get your one done and post off by Saturday, please get in touch with me. I'm gonna leave the email address again, the Instagram link, and the WhatsApp number in the comment section, because I have to have a cutoff date for the ordering, because I need to post them off so you get them in time. Okay, just checking in. Some people, this young miss, I don't remember her name, she said she having some problem. She had a little problem with her sorrel. She tried to make the sorrel, I don't know, the sorrel not boil. But how could that happen? I don't remember her name, but if you're watching this video, honey, I think maybe she said she did the sorrel, and when she put some rice grain, but look here, you know, if you just put the rice grain in and eat the rice, I don't really put it in mine, and I was just saying that back in the days, because we never have a refrigerator, our family or old people that put a few rice grain in it. But mine are plastic rice in them, I don't know, because the all kind of things are going now. But if you draw, that's the only way you should have a problem with that sorrel, unless you know, make it cool. When you draw the sorrel, you have to let it stay until it's properly cool. But even if it never properly cool, you have all of those spices in there to cure it. I don't know what went wrong. I don't know what went wrong. So I want you to go again, go to the sorrel video, and any of you will have problem with it, because look here, the sorrel not supposed to spoil. The only way you do it, unless you leave it out too long without putting the rum and the wine in there. Maybe you left it too long. I don't know. I honestly, I don't know. Because if where you are, the weather is cold, so much the better. Sorry, that's not something that spoil easily. I don't know. I don't know. Pari, have you any idea? She said she'd do it, and when she come back, some white thing there on the top. That sound to me like some... She have it, I don't know. Maybe you never put in all of the spices. They may never dry it with the spice. I don't know what went wrong. We're trying to help her. That's how we do it right here on the Jamaican cooking journey. Okay? I don't know. That has never happened. Has you ever done your sorrel, and when you're ready for it, you see some white things come on the top? I don't know. That has never happened to me. Because the sorrel is the hardest thing to spoil. I don't know what happened. So I'm checking in with you. Remember, if any little thing I go wrong, hook me up from early, let me know like what we are trying to help this young lady, you know. I'm going to try to, I don't know, I don't have a contact for her, but I'm going to try to reply to her comment in a way where we can get some understanding, or if she can send me some message on Instagram, like we get the understanding of, oh, like me get to tell me, oh, definitely, just walk me through how you prepared it. That then I will definitely know. Walk me through your preparation. Then I can tell you if you're watching this video. So we are sharing, we are care, because we know one our family, them nothing go wrong on them Christmas dinner table, and them friends and family and people, guests for come over, and one nothing go wrong, you know. Okay? So many videos, I'm busy, I have cake orders abroad, I have cake orders at Jamaica, I have to jump around, so I'm really busy, so you gotta get to me early. Make sure say you have your thing locked. Make sure you go back and watch the video. Them people are asking for videos. Where's the black cake video? Those are there. We're not doing another black cake video baking this year, none at all. People like the sorrel cake. What you like about the sorrel cake? Tell me, have you ever done it? You're waiting on the sorrel puree. It's coming. Everything is coming. Just checking in with you. Make sure everything is okay. Put me up in the comment section. Tell me if you're liking the journey so far. Talk to me. Tell me. Debbie from down a yard. Bless. No stress.